Yes, the internet is the source of where the word comes from. I'm in Rio with the Olympics. Obviously, as Anonymous, the oh so popular Johnny Anonymous, I have to stay in a garage, a parking garage. And I have to stay as quiet and secretive as possible. Now, despite being alone and away from all who may follow me, I still have access to the God-forgiven internet. And through the internet, Rev, I have heard some pretty naughty things coming from you to me and my brother Payne. Payne has not handled it so well, but he has been able to be silent. He has given me suggestions on what to say about your problem. And I've heard that your problem was not handled so well. Yes, my dear Rev, I'm referring to your coughing problem. Your coughing problem has been pretty harsh on you, Rev. It has caused you, from what I've heard, to go homeless. Homeless in the ever so hurtful city of Elyria. Yes, Elyria, Ohio. Worse than the city of Rio. And this city is very far from Elyria. But I want to show how much I care for you, Rev. I care for you so much that I, on this late Wednesday night, will leave here tonight at nearly midnight, and I will swim across the Atlantic Ocean, through the Gulf of Mexico, all the way to Ohio after crossing the border. The rivers, the Great Lakes, and I will make it to the city of Elyria. That's right. Rio is better than Elyria. But I need to get to Elyria to see you and find you to solve your coughing problem. I think your coughing problem is worse now and needs to be cured. So I will find you because right now I've heard that you're homeless. I've heard you're in some shopping areas and you cannot be found and need to be cured. So I will be able to look for you in some shopping complexes and I will do what I can to find you. And I have some special medicine that will cure you, my dear son Rev. So I will be there within 1 day to find and supply you with the proper medicine to cure you as best as possible, my son Rev. Now, I hope our feelings can be solved. Your hurtful feelings towards me, I think, are very negative, and this is why I'm willing to take that day-long trip, not get any sleep for the night, just to find you and cure you. This is how Johnny Anonymous and Payne Anonymous will go about the procedures to do what needs to be done for you, my dear son, Rev.